be showing you guys my barber station, right? And I feel as a barber, it's important to have a station that is clean, sanitary, organized, you know what I'm saying? So you can be able to perform the best quality service to the customer as you can without any distractions, right? Because a surgeon, when they're in surgery, they have their tools laid out on a tray, very neat, very organized, very clean, so they can have the smoothest possible surgery. And as barbers, we're performing surgeries on people's heads, you feel me? So we gotta have a station that is clean, sanitary, and organized. Because as well, it is what the clients see, right? They walking up to your chair, first of all, they look at you, they look at your chair, and they look at your station, right? And if your station is dirty, messy, there's hair everywhere, they're not gonna have a good first impression, you feel me? So today I'm going to be showing you guys my station, so follow me. All right, so right here I'm gonna give you guys a first impression of what a client would see when they're walking up to my station, right? So they see the ring light, you feel me? They see the chair, and obviously I would be right there greeting them, saying what's up, you know what I'm saying? But right off first impression, my station has like a lot of products on it, but it looks clean, you know what I'm saying? The chair is clean. It's just very organized, you know what I'm saying? So this is what the client would see walking up to the chair. All right, so for where I keep my clippers, I have a Sanitary station, which has 3 cuppies for the clippers, and I have 3 little individual compartments. This is where I keep my clips. I keep my Velcro strips here as well. And then I have some combs and brushes that I don't use. And then I always keep my styling brushes out of barber side, because if not, they will mess up really quickly. So I always clean them and spray them down to keep them clean. Then I have some brushes in here. And I do have more than enough clippers out, which is why I have my trimmers and my trimmers and shavers out right now. And I also charge my cordless compressor here as well. And then in this little crevice, I have my guards. Real clean, easy, simple, you feel me? Nice little bit of counter space. This counter isn't the biggest thing in the world, but I'll make it work. Try to keep it as neat as possible. All right, and then in this drawer, this is where I keep, my neck duster, which I keep in my smock that I wear. I just put this in here at the end of the day. So my neck duster's in here. I have, some gloves. It's where I keep my razors. I just got these shears. So I have a magnetic strip that I usually keep my shears on, but I just got them, and so I don't mess them up. I keep them in here so they don't fall off the magnetic strip. But I got new shears and new thinning shears, which I keep in here. And this is kind of where I keep essentials, right? I use my razor every cut. I use my gloves often enough to keep them here. My neck duster doesn't stay in here, it goes in my smock. And then my scissors, right? I use those often. So, moving down, you feel me? I'm just out here trying to give y'all better angles. You know what I'm saying? But going right below that to this bottom drawer, terrible lighting. Let me adjust this. You know what I'm saying? There we go. That looks a lot better. So in this bottom drawer, right, this is where I keep Sanitary strips that are not in the dispenser. Where I keep products that I use on almost every cut, depending on what type of style. There's my Tune 45 volumizing powder. I got my Can 2 in here, the leave-in conditioner for my curly-headed people. Then I have, my Elegance products, hair cream. I got the paste. I got some wax for the waves, you feel me? I got oil sheen to give hair some shine. And also I have, the what would you call this? The mixing bowl for when I use color on beard. But yeah, this is where I keep essentials, you feel me? I got my clippers up there. Then down here, I got my essentials that I use on almost every cut. Very easy access, very clean and simple. And I like to keep it off of my station. And then directly on the side of that, this is where I keep my blow dryer, my Dyson blow dryer. Just hang it up, very nice, very easy access. Kaboom, right there. And but my cord situation, with my charging cords, is very sloppy. Don't judge me. But yeah, that's my bag for my ring light. That's a big alcohol that doesn't fit in there. And then my ring light. Let me just move this ring light out the way. Turn that baby off real quick. There we go. So, right here, as I was saying, I have a magnetic strip, which is a pretty cool idea. I couldn't find a Barber one in the time that I wanted it, so I went and bought one that is used for kitchen knives. Still does the same job, But this is where I keep my shears. You know, I keep my razor, my the scissors I used to put in some texture. I leave them all on this strip, and what this does is just free up some space in my cabinets. You know what I mean? So it's just not overstuffed. You know what I mean? It just makes everything very easy and just more space. So that's a magnetic strip. I would really suggest you guys to get one. Sorry, this camera's not focusing well. To get one if you want to save some space and also be able to access, you know, your shears and your scissors and razors and all that stuff easily. So I would suggest getting a kitchen knife magnet, or you can buy one that is specifically made for scissors, which does the same thing. Now right down here, you know, below the sink, this is where I keep, this stuff is stuff I use pretty often, but this is where I keep like the excess, you know, where I buy bulk of stuff. If I buy two, for example, if I buy 2 hair colors, I'm only gonna keep one on top of the station, and then I'm gonna put one under. So I have an extra cool care. And other products that I don't use, this is kind of this, just that drawer, you know what I mean, where you have all the extra stuff. But yeah, that's what's down here. I have, you know, 2 talc powders for when I run out of the ones on top. And yeah, super simple. This is where I have the most storage. So, and then directly under, I don't know if you guys can see, this is where I keep my barber case in case I want to take my clippers home to cut my own hair, or if I get a house call and someone pays me well for it, because I will not do it for cheap. I'll go ahead and pack my stuff up in here. I have a big box of gloves just due to COVID. You know what I'm saying? We gotta use some gloves so we don't get the COVID-19. And then on this other side of the station, this is where I keep also essentials like my hairspray. I use in almost every haircut for the lineup. Some liquid razor just so I can get that nice ash line. My alcohol, my shaving gel, my cool care, my water bottle. Also, you know you gotta keep that thing on me, the Lysol, which is an essential during this time in life. And then I got, obviously you always wanna have your barber side where you keep your combs to make sure you're sanitary and not dirty, you feel me? Because no one wants a dirty barber. Clean up your stuff. But yeah, I got the blue liquid with the combs in there. And then I have right here where I dispose of all my razors after I am done using them. You don't want to just throw them in the garbage, because if you go throw out the garbage and there's a razor in it and someone doesn't know, they could hurt themselves and potentially catch a disease which they don't want, like HIV, you know, and stuff that's transmitted by blood. Now I got my hand sanitizer right here, hand soap right here, my beard color right here, just so I can color people's beards. And then I got my hair fibers and my mix for my airbrush. I'm sorry guys, this camera is not focusing well. And then my mix for my airbrush. If you guys want a video on what I use for my airbrush, comment down below, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know if y'all peep, man, look at the tattoo. Look at the tattoo. And then directly under that in this drawer is kind of like a miscellaneous drawer where I throw everything. So I got my sponge brush in here. I have all my attachments for my Dyson blow dryer, like the diffuser and Airstream thing. So I have a little screwdriver, extra guards to dust your shoes. And just, this is like something I just throw everything in. You know what I'm saying? It's like miscellaneous drawer. So let me go ahead and plop this back in here. Go ahead and close that baby up. And now directly under this, I genuinely barely have anything in it. I know it's dark, but this is just the headrest, you know, for my chair, an extra blow dryer, an old one, and then some older clippers. There's really nothing in there. And the chair that I use is actually an antique. This chair is over 100 years old. It was restored to black on black. It is a very nice chair. Shout out to the owner. He wanted to keep the same aesthetic. As you can see, everyone in the shop has antique chairs, black on black. But yeah, this is my chair. It has the old school kind of pump on it that you have to use your hand for. It's not the foot one. And yeah. So family, I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some guidance on how to set up your station. If you've never set up one, if you're an up and coming barber and you're looking like what's the nicest, simplest, cleanest setup. Hopefully this helps you and adds some value to your life and your barber career. But You already know I'll be coming. I always drop weekly tutorials, weekly videos. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Go ahead and follow me at Dreclipperhands on Instagram, where I post dope content almost every day, man. I'm trying to hit 10K on here, which I think I'll hit here very soon. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I'm also trying to hit it on Instagram, so if you can please go hit me with a follow on there. I would greatly appreciate it, family. But let me know what you guys think of this video down in the comments. But yeah, much love, family.